I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream spaghetti. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of spaghetti, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a few cloves of garlic, some good quality olive oil, and a knob of unsalted butter. Fresh parsley will add a lovely finishing touch to our delicious dish. Next, we'll prepare our spaghetti and start the sauce base. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and cook your spaghetti according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. While the pasta cooks, melt 2 tablespoons of butter with 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook gently for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Now for the magic. Pour 2 cups of heavy cream into your skillet with the garlic and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, allowing it to slightly thicken. Gradually stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it's completely melted and the sauce is wonderfully smooth. Add your drained spaghetti directly to the creamy sauce, tossing it gently to ensure every strand is beautifully coated. To finish, garnish your delicious cream spaghetti with a generous sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley and a little extra grated Parmesan cheese. Serve it immediately while it's warm and the sauce is at its creamiest. For an extra touch, you could add some freshly ground black pepper. This dish is wonderful on its own, but also pairs beautifully with a simple green salad or some crusty bread. Enjoy your homemade, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.